Hello! The cost of running coding agents is getting out of control. And the math is simple. Every token sent to a provider is money. Multiply by hundreds of sessions per day across a team of more than 100 developers, and you get a bill that doesn't stop climbing. Token compression is the technology that changes this equation. We shipped our first compressor back in March. It already cut token bill by 10% on real coding sessions, but we weren't done. For the last 3 months, our research team has been working on the next generation. Not one compression technique, but 3 techniques, 3 algorithms, layered together, each one carefully tuned to add savings without breaking the agent loop. Today, we are launching Compressor V2. And I want to introduce the person who led this work, Khaled Mamra, our research scientist at Edgee, who's going to walk you through how we built it and how we measure its efficiency in real time.
Hi everyone. The challenge with token compression is juggling a trade-off curve, one that has cost on one end and accuracy on the other. The more you compress, the more you risk losing context that the model needs to perform. Our V1 compressor used a single strategy that we call tool result trimming, based on the fantastic RTK open source technology. It targets one specific source of token waste, tool outputs. Safe, simple, and up to 10% cost reduction. V2 is built on a different insight. Instead of one aggressive strategy, we stuck 3 lighter ones, each targeting a different layer of the context. Tool result trimming, reformed from V1, tool surface reduction, the one that slims down the description of tools that the model is unlikely to call in the next round, and output brevity, which compresses output tokens. The combination of the 3 strategies cover a wide range of model interactions. It also raises the question of evaluation, making it hard to have a representative set of tasks on which to measure gains. In our research, we aimed for a robust, reproducible, and affordable benchmarking. So we stacked the 3 strategies one by one against vanilla models, each running tasks from the famous SWE benchmark, as well as synthetic MCP calls. We accounted for cache amortization biases by running the tasks repeatedly and in a randomized order, and putting the results through the good old hypothesis testing to account for statistical significance. And the results? They are a robust improvements on V1. V2 is compressing a combined 50% of the cost a vanilla user will pay, all in a simple and a seamless way. Nicolas, our head of developer experience, will show you what this looks like in your terminal.
Thanks, Khaled, for your explanations. That was really clear. My name is Nicholas and I'm head of developer experience at Edgee, and I'll try to show you in a couple of minutes and even a couple of seconds if I can how to install Edgee and how to see the result for yourselves once you've used the application. So here we are on the website. As you can see, the main part of it is a curl installation. It's quite easy. We tried to go for simple installation of that and remove as much frictions for the developers to use our project. In order to have it work, then you can just use Edgee launch plus the name of your favorite coding assistant. It might be Claude, it might be Codex, it might be OpenCode. If you're more of an open source guy, feel free to just use Edgee launch Edgee launch Claude, Edgee launch Codex, or Edgee launch OpenCode. Once you've done that, you can go directly into your console and you will be able to see that you have your coding assistants available right here. Just select the one that you want to use and activate the different mechanism we've put into place. As Khaled explained, all 3 combine to up to 50% of reduction, but you can try and set up whichever you want and how you prefer to use them. They are independently activatable. Once all of them have been activated, or only the ones that you want to use, you will be able to see after a couple of requests your statistics in your dashboard. As you can see here, this is our own dashboard with our spending of the last month to show you exactly how it works. As you can see, we have different way of showing exactly how much you've saved, right? So we have what we call the cost reduction, which is a percentage of your cost that has been removed. Here we can see that I've saved on around $200, $41 of costs. simply by using our compression system. You can see by strategy here exactly how much you've saved. And then we have the efficiency or the compression rate, we call it, which allows you to see for each strategy how we were able to use it and put it into place. So for the tool result trimming, how much of the tool result we were able to trim actually, and how much loss of token it represents. Same for the tool surface reduction and the output brevity. All in all, as you can see here, we are around 20, but it can go all the way to 50% of saving depending on how you use your session. It's quite easy to say that optimum session will reach 50%, but that's kind of the numbers that we were able to get on our benchmark that Khaled was explaining to you just a couple of minutes ago. That would be it. It's not that much of a complex activation. Feel free to let us know if anything is not working as you would like to. It should, but we have a Discord channel, we have a support email, we have everything you need to let us know if you like it. Also, feel free to comment, to like, to share our product hunt, which is about to release. It should be Monday, but that if you see this video, you might be on that product hunt, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. We hope you like it. From all the team here at Edgee, thank you for staying here and looking at what we've done. We are really proud of that release of the Compressor V2. We've been working hard after our first step of compression. This is the second one, which hopefully will help all of you have a little bit less token usage as well as better bills at the end of the month. This is the objective that we are trying to reach, right? So that was it. Thank you very much. That was all from our side. Let's see you next time for hopefully one of great feature again that we will be able to show you. Thank you.